Hello everybody. This video is going to quickly show how to use web search in MemoQ. This first video will show the basic operation. So, we're using MemoQ to translate. Normally we're in the translation view, but if we come to the quick access view, you'll see here there is a button called MemoQ Web Search. So I can select a word, for example this word, and if I click on MemoQ Web Search, a new window will open up, and in this case I've opened up the website Lingui, and the word I selected is put into Lingui, and we get the suggested translation or translations. So I could copy paste this if I wanted to, close this window, and then I could put the translation in. If you think about it, it's similar to going out of MemoQ, going to a web browser like Chrome, then searching for the word. But in this case, we don't have to go out of MemoQ because we can do the web search inside the program. I can also let's select another word, pesa, same thing. Just takes a few seconds. MemoQ is technically using something called Chromium, which is the open source foundation for Chrome and what the new Microsoft Edge is based on. Now, why does it open up Lingui? Well, if we go to the options here, you'll see where it says default resources. Web search is actually a resource, and it's here. The icon is a magnifying glass on the world for web search. If I click here, you'll see this is the default resource file, and if I have a look at it, here you can see that I've just got Lingui selected. These are the suggested searches that come with MemoQ, and they're a bit of a mixed bag, but let's just select a few. I don't know, I'll select 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now this time, if I select a word and do the web search, you'll see that I now get 5 different windows open up. Here's Lingui. In this case I've got Bing, which will show me a search for Complexo, a search in ask.com, perhaps, if I can get out of this. Let's see. I think I can go. Okay, and so on. I can basically go through these and look at the different results I've got. So it's possible to do a search for several items at the same time. Just to show you, it is also possible to search in the target area as well, if you wish, if you want to check what you've decided to use in the translation. Now, last thing for part 1, if we come here and look at the options, here we can select what we want to search for. Here, if we want, for example, if we decided this was not very useful, we could, here for example, I could decide to delete this, and if I said yes, I would remove it. So this is how you can select from the suggested links. In the next video I'll show you how you can make your own new link which is going to be here, of course. Thank you very much for watching.